Welcome back. I'm here with my little brother Ryan and Mike. I don't have any questions prepared for today, so we're just going to wing it and see what kind of weird, dark place we end up in.
How far down the rabbit hole are we going today, Alice?
All the way.
Okay.
So, click that subscribe button and let's begin. Is it better to be handed the information or to learn it firsthand?
Depends.
Situation based, yeah.
Depends.
Some stuff I'd rather see than have to experience, and I think everyone else could. Like, I think if 3 kids are in a room and one of them puts a fork in a light socket, and all 3 of them are paying attention, the other 2 don't need to go through that.
Yeah, but that's still they observe everything with their own eyes. Now,
Okay. So Chris,
listen, Johnny, don't stick a fork in the outlet; you'll get zapped.
Okay, so here it depends. It depends on the person and the situation.
Yeah.
Like if you're a smart, intelligent person, I tell you, hey, knives are sharp; they can cut you. Don't cut your finger off. And you follow that advice and you never have to learn that. It'd be better for you because you probably won't lose a finger. Now, some people don't learn from just being told. They think, yeah, sure, right? Like me, I got split hairs. I'm probably going to check to see if the knife is sharp.
And how sharp is sharp?
And like I said, I've done these queries. I've gone through all this, and I tell people. So they have the warning there. There's the knowledge there already. If you want to test the theory, well, that's on you now. Because I've given you the knowledge. I think having the knowledge is better than learning the knowledge. Because if you just have the knowledge, if you decide to test the knowledge, you can. But unlike the person who's got the fork in the outlet, like, I wonder what happens here. He didn't know. He wasn't expecting. That could have been prevented.
Okay.
True enough.
I think there is definitely a better staying power, though.
Now,
As long as it doesn't kill you of learning things first.
now, granted, I'm going to tell you right now, if I was in a room with 3 kids and saw one of them getting ready to put a fork in a socket, and none of them are mine, I'm just going to be quiet and watch. I'll let them learn the hard way. As long as I know that they're not going to die from it, that might be
But
fine
you obviously
too.
don't know that.
No, that's probably fine.
Oh no. Go ahead, see what happens.
Plus,
You're gonna let Uncle Ryan
Plus.
babysit?
Plus,
Jesus.
I know how to bring them back if they do end up down on the ground flopping like
Then
a
it's
fish.
fine. No harm done.
Give him a good cardio thump.
I mean, they might have a severe phobia of electric outlets after that.
And yeah.
And you.
Yeah.
And
No, I'm
Yeah.
just going to say, well, shouldn't have done that.
so, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you got a few laughs out of us 3 idiots here. And if you like the little artwork I did prior to starting, hit that thumbs up button. Otherwise, click subscribe to follow me with the content I release every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section below.
Have a
Thanks
good
for
one,
helping.
guys.
Have a good one.
Stay thoughtful.